In this video, I'll show you how funnels work in Amplify. So to find funnels, we have to go to Sites and then Funnels. And you'll see there are some templates that we've created, or you can start from scratch. Well, I'm just going to start from scratch. Now there's additional templates you can use here. You can also use Funnel AI. Keep in mind though, this is a pay-as-you-go feature. So we do give you a credit every month that will help offset some of those costs, but there is some additional costs associated with this, which you can explore at earnworthy.com/fees. Now, if I wanted to start from a blank, let's just type in demo and create, and this will open up the funnel builder. Now, there's funnel steps. Every funnel consists of multiple steps. Usually, you're going to have maybe an opt-in page, then maybe you want to redirect someone to a calendar booking page, and then maybe have a thank you or a confirmation page, just as an example. So let's add the first step. Let's call this the opt-in. Let's create the funnel step. And again, you don't have to start from scratch. You can use plenty of the templates that are available to you. But again, we're just going to edit this from scratch. So here you have a blank funnel, and you'll notice this panel over here on the side, these elements, you can click the plus icon to have this bar slide out, and that's where you have all these different assets. Now with your funnel canvas in the middle, you can add rows, you can add text, you can add sections. The sky's the limit when it comes to how you build this. But a good best practice is first you want to have sections, and a section is right here, and you can just drag this over. Now within a section, you can also add rows. So we're going to add a 1-column row, and then within rows, you can have elements such as a headline. And why don't we also add an image? So I'm going to search for image. I'm going to drag it right there above the headline. Now, if I want to add an image here, I click on it, click over here on the sidebar to this image icon, and this is your media storage. Now you can add whatever you want to your media library. And I've already added my logo under brand assets. If I double click, now I have my logo, but that's kind of big. So why don't we reduce the size to 200 pixels? There we go. Now the headline, I'm going to change this to Welcome to Port St. Lucie Answers. Now maybe I want to add some additional text below. What I'll do is I will just add paragraph text, and you can see everything can get moved around. I can move things up, down. There's settings. I can save these different elements or sections so that I can reuse them. There's a lot to it, but this is just a basic way that you can get started with the funnel builder. Some other things to keep in mind is there is a mobile mode, so you can make sure that everything is optimized on mobile. And whenever you click on an asset or an element, you'll see all these different things on the side, including styles. So you can adjust the margin, the padding, the borders, the text alignment, shadows, container size. You can even hide certain things from showing up on desktop or on mobile. So there's a lot you can do here. There's even animations, so you can add an entrance animation. And just to show you what's possible, this site, pslbusinessclub.com, was built in that same builder. So there's lots that you can do. Everything is just a matter of the work that you put into it with the different sections and rows and columns and elements and making it look good. And of course, you can always start from a template. So then you would just save it. You can preview using this little eye icon up here, and then you can publish and you can get the domain set up just as you want. But keep in mind, you have to have a domain already connected in the system in order to put it on that final domain. And we cover how to add a domain in a separate video. So that is how to add one funnel step, and then you can add additional steps here, and then everything can get linked together however you want. So that, in a nutshell, is the funnel builder in Amplify.